I'm attorney Tim Semmelroth with RSH Legal. Were you injured in a serious semi-truck crash in Iowa? You're probably worried about paying your medical bills and taking care of your family, all while you have to do your best to recover. Quickly settling your claim might seem like a good option, but do you know how much is fair for all of your harms and losses? How much your semi-truck accident claim is worth depends upon many factors. To find out what your case is worth, you need to consider the following. Number one, who has legal responsibility for your truck crash injuries? It takes more than just being injured in an accident to be entitled to compensation. After a serious Iowa semi-truck crash, you must be able to prove that one or more parties was negligent. Proving the truck driver or the trucking company was negligent is one of the steps to proving your case to a jury. If you are unable to do this, it's unlikely you will get compensation for your injuries. Truck accidents are different than regular car accidents because there may be more than one party who can be held legally responsible for your injuries. Every crash is different, but some of the parties that could be liable for your crash-related injuries include the truck driver, the company who hired the truck driver, the company who owns the truck, the company who owns the trailer, the company who loaded the trailer, or the company who performed maintenance on the truck or trailer. Deciding who is liable for your injuries is complex and is best left to an experienced Iowa truck accident attorney. Number two, how bad were your semi-truck accident injuries? The extent of your injuries matters in how much your truck accident claim may be worth. Injuries that are more severe or permanent generally mean you can get more compensation. Permanent injuries in particular can mean more compensation, as those type of injuries will affect you for the rest of your life. They may keep you from helping out around the house as much as you were able to do before. You may also have trouble with hobbies that you used to enjoy or struggle working at the same job that you had before the crash. If any of that happens, you may be entitled to a type of damages known as non-economic damages. This can include things like loss of consortium, which is the loss of love and affection between a spouse or children because of an injury, and loss of future earning capacity. If you are forced to take a lower paying job due to your injuries, you may be entitled to receive compensation for the difference in the wages before versus after the crash. If you have permanent injuries, you may also need to visit a doctor or have other ongoing future medical care. Settling your claim without figuring out these future expenses into the settlement can mean those costs may come out of your own pocket. This can get complicated fast. Your best bet is to seek out a skilled Iowa semi-truck crash lawyer to get you the compensation you deserve. RSH Legal offers free, no-obligation case evaluations for semi-truck accident victims. To schedule yours, call 1-800-433-0283 today.